This is the Ghostbuster Bomb, all right? Love that. See, this is a bomb style. Oh, look at it chunk up, okay? Good luck with that, homeboy. All right, so we start off with coffee liqueur. Beautiful. Then we come behind with some amaretto. Yes. And then we lay on some Irish cream, all right? Now here's the thing, that shot right there, if you put whipped cream on this, it would be considered a blowjob shot, okay? Not a dirty word, I'm just telling you the kind of shot it is. All right, now, Crown Royal. Yes, sir. And then we follow that Crown Royal up with some cola, okay? We're not gonna call it Coca-Cola because they're not paying us, all right? Just basic cola, all right? And now you drop it in. Guys, that's Coke and Irish cream coming together. It's gonna chunk up, all right? Oh my Lord. Now, no, everybody's like, I don't want to do this shot. Y'all gotta approach this with an open mind, okay? Please send us a video of you drinking it.